Hi, my name is Albert with Smart Cabinets. Today we're going to show how to put the drawer box together. The drawer box has the back side and the middle side. And you have to pay attention because you have the right and the left. One part has an edge banding that goes in the top, and the bottom part has no edge banding. So the flat part has to go where the edge banding goes. Just like these. So again, to make things a little easier, we're going to use a clamp to make sure that the screws are going to be nice and tight. You don't have to over tight, just to make sure that everything goes on the right side. You have to pay attention that you put the screw right in the middle. You have the back is done. Now, back part of the drawer. The screws, they face this way. You have to connect one side and then you connect the second side here. Then you flip. Now that you have the back on, you have to put the bottom. You slide the bottom all the way, and you have to make sure that it goes under. And the front has to be nice and flush with the front. You see here, the wood part has to be flush with the metal. That's the most important thing because you're going to keep the drawer in square. If the front's not flush, once you put the drawer, it's not going to work right. So now that's flush, you can turn around. Make sure that you have the right position. Still nice and flush. If you want, you can use the clamp again, just to make sure that nothing's going to move. And you have to put the screws, 4 screws on the bottom. Let's make sure that you put right in the middle. So, and that's about it. Release your clamp. And your drawer box is done. It's ready to go inside the cabinet. Next, we're going to show how you put the drawer box inside the base cabinet.